Hello. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I, Mahesh, welcome you all. I am here to share you an interesting new age teaching technique, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives, in short ZIAEI. In this video, I am going to tell you a zero investment idea called as Problem Box for Girls from the case study Girl Child Education, Healthy and Safety, developed by the innovative teachers of Tamil Nadu State. Now let us see the reason behind the creation of this idea and its implementation. Education for girls or women is an integral part which aids in the progress of national development. An educated female builds a strong family and a strong nation. Is in her adolescence, she faces many problems which leaves a mark on her mental health and education. Many times, she is not able to even share her problems with anyone due to fear or lack of knowledge. There are even times when an adolescent girl thinks that there is no one who will be able to understand them or their state of mind. Problems suppresses the personality of the blooming student and she loses the interest in her studies and worst leaves the school. The teacher initiates to identify such issues and educate the students on such issues and provide them guidance in order to resolve the problems. Interactive and personal approach by the teacher helps them overcome these problems. This activity is beneficial to students of all classes but most beneficial to students of higher classes. The teacher first orients the students about this activity and tells them about the importance of sharing our problems with others. She explains to students the impact of not sharing their problems on their mental health, which in turn affects their academics and the quality of education. A box is kept in the school in the name of I can help you, and the teacher informs the students to share their problems of any nature to them and assures them that she can be of great help. The reason why we call this as a zero investment idea is that the thing required to implement this activity is just a plastic or an empty cardboard box with an opening on the top. Implementation of this activity is not only just beneficial but also necessary to be ideally implemented in all the schools. The process of implementation is divided into two parts. The first part is known as the pre-implementation of this activity. In this, the teacher first takes various sessions related to the issues faced by the girl students. The issues may be related to their menstrual cycle, change in their physical appearance, good touch, bad touch, physical abuse, or any other issue which the students feel embarrassed to discuss with others. In the session, the teacher builds confidence by sharing the issues faced by her as a student and asks the student to share their own issues to her. But not all the students are open up so easily, and also there are certain problems where the students hesitate to share with others. Now let us see the second part of this implementation process. Now the teacher introduces the I can help you box, which is kept in the school where every student has gotten access to it. The students who have got some problems and are not able to share with others are advised to put their problems by writing it with their name and the class. The primary age students just mention their name and class where the teacher contacts them and helps them in tackling the issue. The written problems are read and analyzed. The teacher calls the girl separately and discusses her issue in her spare time. If possible, addresses the student's issue and provides ways to tackle it. But if the problem is severe, the teacher provides counseling to the students. If the problem is related to sexual harassment, physical abuse, etc., parents are called and counseled about the problem. The student is motivated and made positively assured that her problem will not be shared with any other person. The above mentioned steps, this teacher ensures the safety of the girl students in her school, which in turn results her in reduction of dropouts of students, girl students from the school. Hope you will also like this idea and implement the same in your classrooms. If you are watching this video in our YouTube channel, Please do like, share and subscribe to our ZAEA YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on our Facebook page, you too like our ZAEA Facebook page. Thanks for watching.